Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yusril. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new video like this. And if you're already on this channel, please kindly like this video and comment in the comment section below making money so that I'll know you watching this video, and that will prompt me to make more video like this. With that being said, let's get started. So I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome extension on your mobile phone, and the application we'll be using is called Kiwi browser. So you go to your Play Store and search for Kiwi browser, and mind you, this application is only available for Android user. There is different app for iOS user. So you come to your Play Store and download Kiwi browser. As you can see, I already have the app on my phone. So let's go into the app. So right now we are inside of Kiwi browser. So when you get inside Kiwi browser, if you are a first time user, you will get a welcome message and you have to accept and then click on next. So now we are on the home page of Kiwi browser. So all you have to do is go to the search bar and search for Google Chrome extension. This is, so let's click on it. So it is the first on the list of the search. So all you have to do is click on it, then it will take us to the extension page where we can download our extensions. So as you can see, there are different extensions with Google Chrome. So let's, for instance, say we want to download a MetaMask extension. Sorry, that's a mistake. MetaMask, first one. So this is a MetaMask extension. So it will bring the results. All you have to do is click on the one you want to install. Then you will see at the top right corner here where it says add to Chrome. So all you have to do is click on add to Chrome. Then you wait. You click on OK here, add. Okay. Then you wait for it to install, to be added, I mean. So let's wait. This is taking longer than expected. Let's wait a little bit. So right now our MetaMask extension has been installed. It has opened itself, but in some cases the app won't open itself. So all you have to do is click on the top right corner, the three dot, I mean, at the top right corner here. So it will give you the menu. Then you scroll to the bottom, so you will see the list of extensions you have installed on this app. So that's how you get to use Google Chrome extension on your mobile phone. Please, if you find any value in this video, kindly subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section value, and that will make me to make more video like this. Thanks for watching.